good. That's good. Yes. Okay. It all fell down. We got to do it again. All right. Let's get one put on top of it. Which one you want to put? That one? Okay, dokie. What after that one? What's going to go next on top of that? What color you want to put next? One of those? Okay, can we turn it over the other way? Can you put one right here? I'm going to put one right here. I like this color. You like that color? Oh, that is good. Oh, I like that one too. Did the cake fall out? Can we put another color on there? What color would we put next? How about this one or this one? You like the green? Oh, you want to put the cake in the green one. You're going to make it like a ball, aren't you? Looky here. Can we put another one on top? How about that one? Which one would you put on top next? Oh, it's stuck together. It's a big hole. You took it apart. I see your finger. I see your finger. Here.
Two fingers.
Yes, you do.
3 fingers. Two fingers.
I got your finger. I got your finger. I got your finger. Look. What's coming through there? I got it. I got your finger. I got it. I had it. Looky. You got 2 fingers coming through there now.
Yes, you
Show
do.
it on. 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. You got 3 in there. So 1, 2, 3.
1, 2 fingers.
I can get 2 fingers through there. See? 1, 2. I can't.
1, 2. She touched them.
I can't get 3 fingers in mine. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Want to see what's in the box? What else is in there?